Hi, my name is Matt Katz, and I am the professor of ceramic materials at the New York State College of Ceramics School of Art and Design at Alfred University. And we are a school that focuses pretty exclusively on ceramics. And one of the great things that we have to offer is our new series of Glaze Calc online classes. Okay, if you're a ceramics student, as I assume you are if you're watching this, or a ceramics professional, you probably have a ton of questions about glazes. And glazes are a super tricky subject. And as you know, everybody out there is using them, and not a lot of people really understand what's going on. So as I said, this course is from Alfred, and if you know anything about Alfred, we have our wonderful School of Art and Design, but we also have the Inamori School of Ceramic Engineering, where some of the smartest people in the world are learning everything there is to know about ceramic materials. And my position has always been as the translator. I am a person who worked with Dr. Bill Carty and in the School of Engineering and John Gill in the School of Art and Design for over 15 years of trying to understand how ceramic materials work from an artist's perspective, right? We know what the engineers know, and we know what the artists know, but what's the relationship between the two? Because whether we like it or not, ceramic materials are ceramic science. Okay, they're one and the same. And sometimes people say, oh, well, when an artist does it, it's not quite the same. It's something different. But it's exactly the same thing. Artists just use it and think about it differently. So my role has always been as the translator of trying to figure out how to turn ceramic engineering into English. Okay. And part of that is glaze calc. Okay, and there's a long history of teachers such as Daniel Rhodes and Val Cushing, along with John Gill and some of our founders like Charles Fergus Binns and Charles Harder, teaching the subject of glaze calc from Alfred. And we take a lot of pride in it. Well, now we have a new opportunity of glaze calc online, where all of you out there, whether you are a professional ceramicist, a hobby ceramicist, or a student from another institution, can take glaze calc online from Alfred University. And we think that this is a wonderful opportunity. This is a chance for us to offer all the knowledge that we have to you. What we've got here is a little video Q&A session that I'm calling Everything You Ever Wanted to Know About Ceramic Materials But Didn't Know Who to Ask. You can ask me. Where I will post some videos about some really cool things in ceramics, explaining some basic concepts or some questions that you might not wrap your head around, so that we can talk about. And all of these things are things that are explored in much greater depth in Glaze Calc Online. Okay, if you've got questions, feel free to post them in the comments section, and I'll try to get to them. I'd like to keep questions pretty generic, not sort of like, can you tell me about this glaze, but more of, can you tell me about this type of glaze, and we can talk about things like that, or very specific things. The first video, which will be online soon, is going to be about cone temperatures, and why are cone temperatures random? Okay, why is that actual temperature that our firing cones to seemingly out of nowhere? Okay. So again, post your questions, and I'll try to get to them. It takes a little time to produce these videos, but I'll get to what I can, to things that I think that'll be relevant to everybody. And again, think about taking glaze calculation online from Alfred University. And again, if you want to know about glazes, if you've got no clue, if you've read a book and were totally confused, which I know happened to me the first time I read my favorite book, Clay and Glazes by the Potter for the Potter by Daniel Rhodes. If you don't get it, I can help you understand it. If you want to learn about how temperature works, or how atmosphere works, or what reduction really is, or how colors work, if you want to learn about the durability of your glazes, I know that glaze safety is a huge topic, and I've got some really important perspective on glaze durability and what that really means. If you want to learn about temperature, if you want to learn what's really going on with cone 6, if you really want to learn what's going on with cone 04, or with cone 10, right? We will talk about all of that in Glaze Calculation Online. Additionally, as I said, if you are a graduate student or an undergraduate student at any other institution around the world, you can take this course for credit. So Alfred is offering this class for credit for you, so you can use it as part of your graduate or undergraduate studies anywhere around the world. Okay, so this course will be offered in or to find out when this course will be offered, visit our website, www.alfred.edu/glazecalc, to find out the schedule. We're trying to do this in consistent increments for opportunities for everybody to take them. So if you're interested, please stop by the website, and if you have a topic that you really think would be something fascinating for me to discuss, go ahead and post it in the comment section. Okay? I hope to see you all online.